Cozy Coupe is on the way today. Hooray! Everybody's waiting for the train. Hooray! Chief is here, ice cream truck too, with a trumpet playing a tune, and they all have jobs to do, waiting for the train. Princess Coupe has baked a cake today. Hooray! Everybody's waiting for the train. Hooray! A dirt digger is on the loose. Chief will have to catch him too, and they all have jobs to do, waiting for the train. Look, the train is on the hill today. Hooray! Everybody's waiting for the train. Hooray! But wait, what's this? The gate is closed. How do we fix it? Cozy knows, and they all have jobs to do, waiting for the train. The train is rolling down the tracks today. Hooray! Everybody's waiting for the train. Hooray! Oh no, the wind is blowing strong. Can Cozy stop it going wrong? And they all have jobs to do, waiting for the train. The train is here, Cozy has saved the day. Hooray! Everybody's waiting for the train. Hooray! It's here and everyone can see. But wait a minute, where's Cozy? It's been such a crazy day, waiting for the train.